Think about the last marketing email you got from a company you like. Branded header, clean layout, on-brand colors and fonts. It looked intentional. It looked like someone cared. For a lot of organizations, the experience feels completely different. And the thing is, it really shouldn't. Internal emails go to your employees, the people who actually work there. If anything, those are the communications that should feel the most considered. So the question is, how do you create branded emails in Outlook when Outlook wasn't really built for that? That's what this video covers. If you've ever tried to build a polished internal email directly in Outlook, you already know where this goes. Outlook's email formatting limitations are real. That's because it was never really designed for modern email design. You're working with basic formatting, limited layouts, and very little control over how the final email actually looks. And if you've ever tried copying an HTML from another tool, you already know what usually happens. By the time the email lands in someone's inbox, the formatting looks completely different. So most internal comms teams end up doing one of two things. Either they send plain text emails that don't really reflect the brand, or they build the email somewhere else and then spend time trying to force it back into Outlook. Neither option is ideal, and neither scales very well when you're sending frequently. ContactMonkey solves that by sitting directly inside Outlook as an integration. The email itself is built inside ContactMonkey's drag and drop editor, which is designed specifically for internal comms. You drag in the blocks you need: images, text sections, buttons, dividers, multi-column layouts, and you arrange everything the way you want. When you're ready to send, you send it through Outlook. There's no coding involved, and you're not fighting with Outlook formatting the whole time. ContactMonkey handles the HTML behind the scenes, so the final email actually renders properly across devices and inboxes, while still looking polished and on brand when employees open it. Can AI help me design branded internal emails? The short answer is yes, and this is what that actually looks like inside ContactMonkey. The AI image generator is built directly into the email builder. All you have to do is drop in an image block, click Create with AI, and describe the visual you want. From there, ContactMonkey generates an image you can use right away inside the email. You can adjust the style, change the aspect ratio, tweak the prompt, and keep iterating until the image looks right for your brand and your message. For IC teams that don't have dedicated design support or just need something for quick newsletters or announcements, this removes a whole extra step from the workflow. With AI-generated images, your branded visuals get created in the same place the email gets built. And if your team already has branded assets in Canva, those are available directly inside the builder too. So you're covered whether you're generating something new with AI or pulling in something that already exists. And then there's CoAuthor, ContactMonkey's AI email builder for internal comms. Instead of starting from a blank email, you describe the email you want to create, who it's for, what the message is about, and what tone you want, and what employees should do after reading it. CoAuthor then generates the email directly inside the builder, including the layout, design, and draft copy. From there, you keep refining the email by continuing to prompt CoAuthor, just like you would with any AI chatbot. You can ask it to rewrite sections, adjust the tone, tighten the messaging, improve the CTA, restructure the layout, or make the email more concise. It's that simple. One more thing worth mentioning, because this has a huge impact on how consistent your internal brand looks over time. Every time someone on your team starts a new email, they're making decisions about layout and structure from scratch. When different people are making those decisions independently, the emails slowly start looking different from one another, even when they're meant to feel consistent. ContactMonkey solves that with reusable templates and the existing template library. You can save any internal email as a template and make it available across the team. So the logo, colors, spacing, layouts, and banners you already spent time getting right are already built in. Instead of recreating the structure every time, teams can open the template, update the content for that specific send, and you're done. And over time, that becomes a huge advantage. Your internal comms stay consistent, polished, and on brand, no matter who on the team is building the email. Internal communicators put a lot of work into what they say: the messaging, the timing, the audience. The way it looks should reflect the same level of care. Your employees deserve communications that feel as considered as anything your brand sends externally. So to bring it back to the original question, how do you create branded emails in Outlook? The good news is, this is a problem solved now. And ContactMonkey is how internal comms teams solve it, creating branded emails in Outlook, all without coding, without needing a developer, and without relying on a bunch of extra workarounds.